friends, and welcome to this channel. And in today's video we will learn what should be the rabbit nest box size, how should it look, and some useful instructions that you should keep in your mind while designing the nest box or when adding the nest box to the cage. So before moving to the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications every time we upload a video. So make sure that you put the nest box like 2 or 3 days before the expected kindle date, so that the doe can make the adjustment to the nest box if she didn't like it. But the main reason is just don't put it very soon, just put it 2 or 3 days before the expected kindle date. And nest boxes should provide enough room for each doe and her litter, but it should be small enough to keep the litter close together. So it shouldn't be that big so that all the litter is scattered all around the nest box. So it should be small enough that the litter is close. And in the next slide we will tell you what is the exactly size that is always recommended that you can follow. So another thing is that the nest boxes can be made of non-treated wood. It could be wire mesh or steel metal. And for example, if the weather is cold, so during the cold weather we should also put some straw or wood shavings as a bedding, so that the litter is warm, in addition to the hair that doe puts inside the nest box. And the box should be designed in such a way that there is some place or small opening on the top for the doe to enter. And this is the actual size that is recommended by all the rabbit farming professionals. So the length should be 24 inches and the height should be 12 inches, and the width should also be 12 inches. But on the start, as you can see, there is a cut that is made up till the half of the this nest box, so that you could put some closing on top of that, so that the doe could enter from the top, so it won't just jump inside it. So usually the doe will first jump up and then she will enter inside the nest box. So keep these dimension in your mind, and next time when you are planning to build a nest box, please follow these instructions and also make note of these things as well, so that you can get the benefit as much as possible. Thank you so much guys again for watching this short and quick reminder for designing a nest box and what you should keep in mind while designing it. Thank you so much guys, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. They have rabbits and they are planning to put the nest box there. And make sure that you download our app. I will share the link in the description of this video, and you can freely download this app on your Android or iPhone and keep track of all the breeding logs and all the expenses and everything. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.